Napapagod ka na ba sa laging pagbayad ng renta? Parang walang katapusan. Yung kahit anong sipag mo, hindi mo pa rin kayang magkabahay. What if I told you, there's a way to own a house at hindi mabigat sa bulsa? Introducing Daniela Basic Model at Masaito Homes in Barangay de Ocampo, 13, Martires, Cavite. A two-story townhouse with 55 square meter lot area ang inner unit at 77 square meter ang end unit and 45 square meter floor area. Perfect for you and your family. Dito sa Daniela Basic, makukuha mo ang complete finish townhouse na may 2 bedrooms and 1 toilet and bath at carport. And a laundry service area ready for occupancy na, so you can move it right away. 10,000 reservation fee lang to secure your unit. And with the bank financing, you can have affordable monthly payments, no hidden fees, easy to pay, and the best part, you can finally own your dream home. Masaito Home is conveniently located minutes away from SM 13 Martires, Watermark, and Hospital. Lahat ng kailangan mo, nasa tabi mo lang. Plus, it's near in major roads na accessible to everywhere. Introducing Daniela Basic Model at Masaito Homes, located sa Barangay de Ocampo, 13, Martires, Cavite. A two-story townhouse na may affordable price, perfect for those looking for more space and better living. Dito sa Daniela Basic, makakuha ka ng 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and carport. Ready for occupancy na, kaya pwede ka nang mag-move in. Plus, it's semi-complete. All you need is to do it, make it yours. 10,000 reservation fee lang to secure your unit, and with Pag-ibig financing, your monthly payments are easy to manage. Finally, a home that fits your budget and your monthly needs. Everything you need is nearby and access to major roads with 10,000 reservation fee and affordable monthly payments. Masaito Homes, affordable, spacious, and ready for you. Message us today and let's get your new home. Once again, this is Jerome Llame. At kung naghahanap ka ng perfect home, Ahenteng Bicolano will guide you and assist you.